What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This video is my weekly tech pickups. This is for the week ending St. Paddy's Day, March 17th, 2019. This is everything that I picked up from March 10th to March 17th, that full week. Okay, so let's go ahead, dive right in. If you've been following the series, you know how it goes. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, let's start at the front. So from Satechi, we have the 75 watt dual USB-C with PD, which is the powered delivery. So it's fast charge. And this guy is awesome. And I would highly recommend that if you travel much, that this is what you take with. Or if you just have a power station you want to set up at home or on your office desk or whatever, this is the guy to do it. So it's got an aluminum housing, which looks very, very nice. And then you plug this into the wall with the built-in cable here, included cable. And then it gives you 2 amps. So you've got a lot of different things here. You've got 2 USB-C with PD. So this can definitely charge like iPad Pros, some of the smartphones that require PD. And you got 10 watt and 8 watt. And then you got the 2.4 amp max USB 3.0, and these are Type A plugs. And then it has a little LED up here to let you know that you're charging. So a very nice product from Satechi. So put that away. Then what do we got? This is quite the wide variety of stuff here, guys. Okay. Next up we've got, and I'm not going to do much with this because this is a feature video coming up, the Nighthawk M1 Gigabit LTE mobile router. The world's first gigabit class LTE mobile router. Stay tuned. I'm not going to even give you any spoilers right now, but this is a feature video coming up, and this thing's hot. This is totally kick butt. A book. So I came across a couple articles saying, hey, this is a pretty good book to read if you're in not even just IT, but just in management in general. It was a New York Times bestseller. It says, be a kick-ass boss without losing your humanity. It's Radical Candor. So by Kim Scott. So I picked up this book to read. If you're interested in that, go for it. It's kind of like a Crucial Conversations if you ever read that book. This is kind of in that same lines. Then you're probably like, what? Let's flash back to like the 1990s or early 2000s, I guess, with a track phone. Yeah, for moments that matter. I picked up a track phone. Why? Because it's disposable. More on this later. It will be a video. And yes, the phone is truly in here, and I do have minutes on it. I just have not applied them. And it is a flip phone. Okay? So more to come on that. You're probably like, wow, what's coming up when I got this and this? Yeah, some cool stuff. And then Ubio Labs was kind enough to send the show some chargers. Now this bad boy is a beast. This is a 20,000 milliamp universal portable charger in a housing, an aluminum housing, up to 6 charges for like iPhones, Lightning input, USB-C input, and 2.4 amp USB outputs. And yes, I did say Lightning input, USB-C input, and 2.4 amps outputs, because this guy packs a punch. He has, there's your Lightning input right here, 1.8 amp Lightning input, and 2.4 amp USB-C input, so bang bang. And then your 3.0 USB with 2.4 amp out. Faster charge speeds, high-powered 2.4 amp USB provides incredibly fast charge speeds. Single cable convenience, up to 6 charges. Comes with a cable too that's very, very nice. And if you're wondering what this looks like, I actually have it right here. I'm charging my iPhone as we speak, but let's go ahead and remove. This is the charger itself. Very, very nice. The Ubio Labs Power 20. You can push this. You can see the LEDs. Here's your Lightning, your Type C, and your USB 3. Now these are inputs. So definitely cool charger. And I'm going to put this back on my iPhone because I'm going to eat here in a little bit. and my iPhone needs a charge. And finally, UBO Labs, the universal wireless charging pad. So this guy here, 10 watt or 7.5 watt for Qi certified wireless charging. So it's Qi enabled for up to 10 watt wireless, non-slip, rubberized surface, LED charge indicator. So pretty quick power charge on this guy as well. If you want to look at it, this is its footprint. It has a little wall jack here, foldable, kind of nice, right? And then this is the actual pad right here. Like I said, it does have a little LED indicator that it is actually charging. So pretty cool stuff from UBO Labs. Probably have these featured in a separate video as I drop the box and rattle the camera to go over and see how quickly they can charge and fun stuff like that. So, you know, guys, not a hugely busy week, but definitely some cool stuff that has come in. So I just want to share that. So again, future videos for quite a few of these things coming up. And if you are interested in any of this prior to the reviews, check the show notes for this video. I'll have a link to all this stuff. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. Have a good one. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit the little bell to be notified when this video posts, especially. Right? Right? Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.